Delhi, India's capital, is not just about history and monuments, it's also home to luxurious resorts that offer peace, greenery, and relaxation away from the city chaos. Here are the top 10 resorts in Delhi, India you must explore. The first one is the Rosier. The Rosier is one of Delhi's most luxurious resorts surrounded by lush greenery and tranquil water bodies. The property features modern architecture, fine dining restaurants, and a spa offering holistic therapies. Perfect for romantic getaways or business retreats, its blend of elegance with peace. The second one is Tivoli Garden Resort Hotel, spread over 10 acres of landscape gardens. Tivoli Garden Resort is a popular choice for weddings and family gatherings. The resort has spacious rooms, a swimming pool, and fine dining options. Its royal decor and warm hospitality make every stay memorable. The third one is Surya Villa Resort. Known for its modern amenities and peaceful surroundings, Surya Villa Resort offers a perfect escape from the city life. The property features elegant rooms, outdoor dining, and a lush garden area. Guests love its hospitality and comfortable ambience, ideal for weekend relaxation. The fourth one is Golden Tulip Suites Gurgaon. Located near South Delhi's outskirts, this resort offers luxurious yet period-friendly experiences. It has an outdoor pool, fitness center, and spacious rooms. The restaurants serve a mix of Indian and continental cuisines, making it great for both leisure and business travelers. The fifth one is Fortune Park Boulevard. Listed amidst lush trees and manicured lawns, Fortune Park Boulevard offers similarity just minutes away from the South Delhi. Guests can enjoy its civic pools, outdoor dining, and cozy rooms. It's a favorite for nature lovers seeking comfort and calm in a green setting. The next one is Ashok Country Resort, a beautiful resort near the airport. Ashok Country Resort is known for its old-world charm and modern comfort. With its open lawn, cozy rooms, and poolside restaurant, it's ideal for families and business travelers alike. The spa treatments here are highly recommended for a rejuvenating stay. The next one is Botanics Nature Resort, a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. Botanics Nature Resort offers beautiful lakes, gardens, and nature trails. It's a great for families and cultural groups looking for outdoor activities like ziplining, poetry, and yoga. The resort's peaceful vibe make it perfect getaway. The next one is the Umrao, a stunning boutique resort with architecture and lush lawns. The Umrao is popular for weddings and luxury stays. It offers premium rooms, gourmet dining, and a spa for ultimate relaxation. The resort's ambience reflects elegance and fine hospitality. The second last is Dusit Devrana Resort, a luxurious 5-star retreat. Dusit Devrana features world-class architecture, water, country yards, and luxury suites. The fine dining restaurant and spa provide an unforgettable experience. It's a heaven for those seeking exclusivity and ease amid the capital's bustle. The last one is Karma Lakelands. Just outside Delhi, Karma Lakelands is a resort built around an eco-friendly golf course. The resort offers villas, organic restaurant, and wellness activities like cycling and meditation. It's perfect for peaceful weekend retreat surrounded by nature.